Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to roll your eyes easily. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'm actually going to remove my glasses so you get a better view of my eyes. Now this is what it's going to look like when you roll your eyes. Like that, very simple. Very simple. Now it looks easy, but it can be quite difficult if you've never rolled your eyes before. Once again, I'll show you in a slower motion. Just like that. Once again, just like that. Now I can't see myself, but I'm assuming that my eye roll looked okay. So like I said, hopefully it looked good. I can't see myself because I have a very strong glasses prescription, and as I roll my eyes, I'm not looking at the camera. But hopefully that eye roll looked good. Now, this is how you do it. Very simple. The first step, I'm going to break down in a step-by-step way, a step-by-step manner to make it easy to understand and learn at home with your own eyes so that you can roll them galore, okay? So step one is going to be, you're going to look in the four directions, okay? Basically like north, east, south, west to that idea. So you're going to look up, back to center, left, back to center, down, back to center, right, back to center. Okay, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to practice that a few times. Up, center, left, center, down, center, right, center. Okay, now you're going to practice that, and when you're ready to move on to the next step, you're going to take out the centers. So you're going to do up, left, down, right. Okay, so once again, up, left, down, right. Once again, up, left, down, right. Okay, and I think when I'm looking down, I'm probably going cross-eyed because I'm looking at my nose when I look down. But once again, up, left, down, right, okay? Once you're ready to move on to the next step, you are going to add in the in-betweens of those four directions. So basically, you're gonna go up, and then you're gonna go in basically the spot between up and left, and then you're gonna go left. The spot between left and down, then down. So I'm gonna go up, then I'm gonna go top left corner, left. Bottom left corner, down. Bottom right corner, right. Top right corner, up. Very simple. So now instead of four directions, we're doing 8 directions. Once again, up, top left corner, left, bottom left corner, down, bottom right corner, right, top right corner, up. Very simple. Once you're ready to move on to the final step, it's the same thing, but a little bit faster. So those 8 directions, a little bit faster is going to look like this. Boom, 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 boom. Just like that. Up, top left, left, bottom left, bottom right, right, top right, up. Just like that. Very simple. And then the final step is bring it all together and just go a little bit faster each and every time. Just like that. Little bit faster each and every time. Eventually, you're going to be able to roll your eyes like a pro. Now, there's an alternate eye roll, which is like just sort of you look up and you kind of like go like that. That's considered rolling your eyes as well. But this is literally how to roll your eyes in a complete circle like that. Once again, just like that, okay? And the alternate eye roll is kind of just look up and like this, okay? Like, okay, I get it. I get what you're saying, right? That's an alternate eye roll. But for this tutorial, I wanted to show you how to go in a complete circle. You want to do the alternate one? Just look up and kind of back and forth with your eyes, like, okay, and you can move your head like that as well. That's it. That is essentially how to roll your eyes easily. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.